Good morning, students. Today we are doing our last exercise of chapter 2, that is exercise 2F, and in this the questions are based on division of decimals. First, dividing decimal by 10, 100 and 1000, and I am taking the questions from your exercise. First question, 68.5 divided by 10. When we divide any decimal by 10, 100, thousands like digits which are having zeros at the last and the first number is 1, what you will do, you will shift this decimal towards the left side. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आपको ध्यान है हमने क्या करा था, डेसिमल को राइट साइड में शिफ्ट किया था. व्हेन वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग एनी डेसिमल विद 10, 100 and 1000, and when divide any decimal number with 10, 100 or 1000, what we will do, we will shift the decimal towards left side. कितने zeros हैं हमारे डिनोमिनेटर में? only 1. So we will shift our decimal towards left only one digit. So the final answer will be 6.85. This is the final answer. Come to the second part is 0.4477 divided by 100. Now 0.4477 divided by 100. So there are two zeros in 100 in the denominator. So we have to shift the decimal toward left side 2 digits. तो यहाँ कोई digit तो है ही नहीं, zero है. तो what we will do, we will take one more zero. 4477. What we have done, shifted the decimal from this to here, right? सबसे पहले और एक ज़ीरो लगाते हैं. तो how we will speak this number, 0.00474477. Now come to the third, 2125.63 divided by 1000. There are 3 zeros, so we have to shift the decimal toward left side 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 यहाँ पर आएगा ये. So the number will become 2.12563. कभी भी आप एक नंबर में 2 डेसिमल नहीं लगाते हैं, यही वाला डेसिमल शिफ्ट होता है. The second type is dividing decimal by a whole number. First question is 6.4179 divided by 15. तो आप इस डेसिमल को हटा करके जो नंबर आ रहा है, दैट इज 64179, उसी में 15 से डिवाइड करेंगे. वी ऑलवेज डिवाइड दिस नंबर बाय दिस नंबर. तो ये अंदर जाएगा और ये जो डिनोमिनेटर है ये बाहर आएगा, राइट? ये डेसिमल हम लास्ट में लगाएंगे. फर्स्ट फॉर दिस 64, 15 4 जा 60, 4 1 उतरा, 15 2 जा 30, 11 7 417, 15 6 जा 19, 15 7 जा 105, right? So 12 129, 15 8 जा 129, और अब हमें एक डेसिमल लगाना पड़ेगा बिकॉज 9 इज़ लेस देन 15. ज़ीरो एक आया, 15 6 जा 90, and the division is completed, right? So the final answer is 4278.6. but we have already 1 2 3 4 digits after decimal in the question, so we have to consider these 4 digits also. So we will shift our decimal towards left side by the counting of 4. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. डेसिमल कहाँ आ जाएगा? सबसे आगे. तो what will be the final answer? That is 0.42786, right? Now 5.629 divided by 4. So we have to divide first 5629 by 4. 4 1 जा 4, 4 4 is 16. 2. 2 is less than 4 and one digit more is already we are having. So for this 9 we have to put 1 0 here. 29. 4 7 ja 28. 1 decimal लगाया 0. 4 2 जा 8. 2 decimal से एक और 0 आया. 4 5 जा 20. Right? So the answer of division is 1407.25. But in our question there are 3 digits after decimal, so we have to consider these 3 digits also. We will shift our decimal towards the left side. 1 2 3 3 digits. So the final answer will be 1.40725. Third is dividing decimal by a decimal. Now 27.26 divided by 9.4. What we have to do? We have to divide 27.26 by 9.4. First we remove these decimals. How? When we are removing decimals from the numerator, we will put 1 for this decimal and count the digits after decimal. There are 2 digits, so 2 zeros for those digits, number of digits, right? जब 27.26 का आपने डेसिमल हटाया तो एक 100 नीचे आएगा, राइट? और जब आप डिनोमिनेटर में से डेसिमल को हटाएंगे तो इसके लिए नंबर न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा. डेसिमल के लिए 1 और डेसिमल के बाद एक ही डिजिट है तो एक ही 0, राइट? नाउ our question is like 2726 into 10 upon 94 into 100 after removing the decimals. 10 से 10 cancel हो गया. Now we divide this 2726 by 94. When we divide 2726 by 94, the answer is 29. But there is one 10 in the denominator also. So we have to put a decimal because of this 10. क्या करेंगे? डेसिमल 10 से डिवाइड करोगे 29 को तो क्या आएगा? 2.9. जैसे हम डेसिमल हटाते हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही हम डेसिमल लगा भी सकते हैं. 1 से तो लगेगा डेसिमल और 0 क्योंकि एक ही 0 है तो एक डिजिट के पहले 0 लग जाएगा. So the final answer is 2.9. Similarly, now here we have to divide 97.80437 by 12.3803. जब आपने इसका डेसिमल हटाया तो डेसिमल के लिए 1 1 2 3 4 5 डिजिट्स तो 5 zeros. और जब आपने डिनोमिनेटर से डेसिमल हटाई तो you will write in the numerator 1 1 2 3 4 zeros. We can cancel these four zeros with these last 4 zeros. And now the final question will be 978047 divided by 123803 into this 0, right? And when you divide it, the answer will be 7.9. सिंपल डिवीजन है. पूरे नंबर में इस पूरे नंबर का करना है. Now next is 75.48 divided by 6.8. This remove this decimal. There is 100 in the denominator and 10 in the numerator. Last 0 से last 0 cancel. 7548 divided by 680. So the answer is 11.1. Next is our question number 4. Julie cut a string 8.46 meter long into 6 equal pieces. What is the length of each piece of string? Now the solution. Total length of string is 8.46 centimeter. Sorry, it's meter. Number of equal pieces of string is 6. Then the length of each piece will be we have to divide the total length by the 6 pieces, right? So when we divide 846 by 6, we will get the answer 141. And there is a decimal before two digits. We have to count these two digits and we have to put decimal in the answer before two digits. So the length of each piece will be 1.41 meter. And the last question is question number 6. Four friends went for a tea party and spent rupees 300.80 including the tip. How much amount did each pay? Now the solution. Total amount paid is rupees 300.80 and number of friends are 4. Then each paid total amount divided by the number of friends, number of persons. When we divide 380, it's 30,080 by 4. The answer is 7,520. But there is a decimal before two digits. We have to put decimal before two digits. So each person, each friend paid rupees 75.20. This is our exercise 2F. You have to do rest all the questions in your copy.